Hello guys, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you um how you can basically place trades and be profitable. All right, I'm going to be explaining to you the sequence of what you should do on each time frame, the function of each time frame. All right, so it's going to be good for you if you stick around, and I'm going to promise you the video is going to be direct and it won't be long. So I'm just going to be giving you the basics of what you need to know, and you'll be able to apply it to your own trading. So if you're new to this community, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so that you can be part of this community. All right, a community of profitable traders. So guys, this is a one-stop bus stop for you. Trust me, if you join this community, you are guaranteed to be profitable. This is the only place that you get things for free and and without stress. All right, so I prefer to actually tell my subscribers the truth about trading so that you guys can easily come on board and be profitable. I love you guys. So now I would like you guys to also join the Telegram group where I drop signals from time to time. um and do not forget that I'm a swing trader, so you might not be getting signals every day. All right, I give signals only when they present themselves. I don't frustrate, so that is important for you to understand. All right, then nextly is it'll be cool for you to actually use this link if you need a free trading course and the free indicators that you could download. All right, so you could also hit me up on Telegram, just chat me up, and if you have any questions, just let me know, and let's jump right into the video right away. Now, understanding what each time frame is meant to do, guys, what each time frame is meant to do, or I will say what I do on each time frame. Okay, now very simple. On every time frame, I try as much as possible to designate what I look out for. Okay, I designate what I look out for. So it's necessary for you to know what you're looking out for before jumping into the markets, so you don't make unnecessary mistakes. So now, like I've always told you guys, the first thing I do is go to my weekly time frame and I try to draw my support and resistance levels. All right, if you still don't know how to draw support and resistance levels, I'd like you to just go to the YouTube channel and go ahead and check. Just go to my YouTube channel and check Cosby Finance. That's the name of the channel. KOSB, then Finance is the name of the channel. And check out how to properly draw support and resistance levels, or zones rather. Yeah, because these are actually zones and not levels. All right, I explained everything properly in that video. And another important thing I mentioned in that video is the market always moves from zone to zone. All right, the market moves from zone to zone. You can see that. Okay, let me show you this right here. You can see that even though the market was consolidating from here to here, you can see that it was doing that from zone to zone. You can see from zone to zone. All right, then here it failed to return back to this level, to this zone right here, and that was where we're ready to push to the lower side. All right, we're ready to push the lower side. So now, as explained, the first thing I do is I come to my weekly market and I check and I draw my support and resistance levels. All right, then I go to my daily time frame to see what the market is doing. All right, I go to the daily time frame to see what the market is doing. And what is the market doing? Very simple. Let me just put this out here for you. All right, the first thing here on the weekly, what I do is I check for for support and resistance levels. All right, now on the daily chart, what do I do? I check for direction of the market. Then 4-hourly, what do I do? On the 4-hour, I place my entry. Then for my 1-hour, I confirm my entry. All right, yeah, that's it. So let me just put it out here for you. So this is what I do basically. So on the weekly, I go to I draw my support and resistance level, and next I go to my daily time frame that I check the direction of the market. So what do I mean by direction of the market? Very simple. Now, by direction of the market, I mean I want to know the stage at which the market is. Now, you look, for instance, you can see the market is in a downtrend, right? If you go to your weekly time frame and you connect the dots, you can see this trend line that I drew. This tells me that the market is a downward trend. The market is in a downward trend. So I just go to my daily chart and I go ahead and trade in accordance with the trend. All right, I don't trade counter trends except if it's necessary, except if it's juicy. Like, I mean, it's just something that you just have to take it. You know what I mean? So that is the only time I take that's the only time I trade. Sorry, I trade counter trends. Sorry, pullbacks rather. Sorry, pardon me. That's the only time I trade pullbacks. All right. Like, for instance, you can see this is a trend, downward trend, consolidation, pullback, then trend, pullback, trend. All right, because it's a downward trend. So I have some criteria that make me determine when I actually place my trade or enter a market like this. All right, I have reasons that makes me enter a pullback market like this. And the next thing I do is, once I've identified my trend, once I've identified my trend or the direction of the market, like for instance, I would have cut this move right here from here to here. Now, if you check this, I'm certain that this will be nothing less than, from here to here, will be nothing less than 2,000 pips. All right, it will be nothing less than 2,000 pips, guys. So that's how we do it. You know, we just set and forget. You know, imagine if you enter around here. Now, if it were to be me, I would have entered here. I'd have entered somewhere around here. You can see around, the market started dropping May, but I would have waited till around August before I got in, and I would have taken profits just at September. All right, you can see at September. So that's how I trade. Sometimes my trades are always, you know, like a month plus, just set and leave. All right, so that's it, guys. So now, but I don't place my entries on the daily time frame. I go to the 4-hour time frame to place my entry. Now I look for, since this is a downtrend, I look for a downtrend inside the daily downtrend. All right, I look for a 4-hour downtrend inside the daily downtrend. All right, so that's why I marked this up here. So you can see the market started dropping. You can see here there's a head and shoulder. So I'll just draw this here. Okay, sorry, let me just use this line instead. All right, okay, so at this level you can see head and shoulder, false break, came back up, then the actual break, it dropped here, they made a retest. Let me expand this a little bit, guys, for you to see, for you all to see. All right, so when it dropped, I'd have made my entry here and left this till it came all the way down here. You can see, awesome. Very awesome, guys. So now, what is my criteria for entering at this point? Very simple. So let me mark out this point. Let me mark out this point. All right, so now I have placed my entry just right here. So let me mark it out. Yeah, this would have been my entry, guys, at this level. Now at this level, now before I now place my entry here, what do I do? Okay, let's go back to our rule. Let's see, this is our rule right here. Okay, so this is this now. So having seen an opportunity, I need to confirm that okay, this market is actually coming down. Yeah, I have to see that this market is actually coming down. So having done this, the next thing I want to do is, before I enter at this point, I want to go to my 1 hour time frame and confirm my entry, guys. Oh, zoom into this chart. All right, yeah, I'm unable to view the charts because of I'm using the free plan. All right, so if you zoom into this chart, yeah, on 4 hour, what I'm supposed to do on this 1 hour chart is to come here after this break and retest. I'm supposed to see a double top. Now you can see this retest, drop, retest, then drop. All right, so having done that, once I see this, then I place my entry just right here and I ride the wave till I get to the next zone, all right, which is here. So when I get to this next zone, I'm going to exit my trade. All right, now I'm telling you how you're gonna enter the trades. All right, so now once I get here, I exit my trade and I wait for the market to give me another confirmation for entry. All right, so this drops and make a retest to this level, guys. Makes a retest to this level. So at this level, after breaking here, then retesting here is where I'm going to place my next entry. Pardon me. This is where I'm going to make my next entry, guys. So if I go to the 1 hour chart, you'll see the double top here. There's a double top here. There's another small double top here. So then I place my sell trade and the market comes to the next zone again and I exit. Then I wait patiently again and wait for the market to break. All right, you can see the market broke here and made a fake out, then broke here again and retested this level, and you can see a triple top right here. So I'd have entered here and targeted this next zone. All right, so after that I wait for the market to break here again and retest, but you can see there was no break or retest. So the next thing is you just follow the market as it goes up. All right, so guys, this is very simple, but never forget that this is a consolidation because the overall trend of this market, remember, is the downtrend. You can see the market is dropping down, so you're just trying to consolidate, and there's high probability that it might break here and continue here before it now makes the next drop to the downside. So that's it, guys. That's just how I trade the market and I've stayed profitable. So I'll talk to you later, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, and do not forget to click the bell button so that you can receive notifications whenever I upload awesome videos like this, teaching you how you can be profitable and scale up in the markets. And also join the Telegram group where I drop signals regularly. Do not forget that the signals are long-term trades, not short-term trades. So you need to know that signals don't come up every week. All right, they don't come up every week. They only come as they present themselves. All right, so, and if you want to talk to me on Telegram, here's the link, and you can also download free indicators using this link. Don't forget to also share this video with your friends and like and subscribe. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.